Hello folks, this is Les Goldstein, President of Personal Financial Strategies Incorporated, with our November 2014 Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll be discussing some of the economic events that occurred last month and give you some insight into what they may mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. After a jittery October, November was a solid month for the markets. Solid domestic indicators and big moves by central banks in Europe and China helped reassure investors that future growth is possible. Let's take a look at what happened last month. The Bureau of Economic Analysis, also known as the BEA, released its second estimate of third quarter economic growth, and we discovered that the economy accelerated at a 3.9% annual growth rate. Though we don't know whether the pace of growth will continue into and throughout the fourth quarter, it's still a reassuring reminder that the economy continues to do well. The BEA updates their gross domestic product reports as more economic data comes in, so each one becomes more accurate. We'll be getting one more update about the third quarter in the upcoming weeks. The labor market continues to make major positive strides. Total non-farm employment increased significantly in November, although the unemployment rate stayed at 5.8% annualized. More importantly, the quality of available jobs continues to improve. Since the labor market is a major engine of economic growth and consumer confidence, we hope job gains will spur growth in other areas of the economy. An important gauge of consumer sentiment surged last month, climbing to the highest levels seen in these last 7 years. Americans are feeling much better about their financial prospects. This is great for the retail sector because it may mean that Americans are ready to open their wallets and spend. Speaking of spending, the holiday shopping season officially started during the last week of November with Black Friday sales. Early reports showed that spending over the Thanksgiving weekend unexpectedly dropped 12% when compared to the last year. While the results are puzzling, since consumer fundamentals are so much better, historical trends show that Black Friday sales actually reveal very little about how the overall holiday shopping season is going to go. The good news is that we still have plenty of room for a great retail season. Altogether, it looks like domestic fundamentals are in good shape, the labor markets are improving, consumers are feeling optimistic, and the recent drop in gas prices is putting more money in everyone's pocket here in the United States. On the other hand, slowing global growth is making companies uncertain about their prospects in the coming months, potentially making them less willing to spend. Though we're hopeful for a solid finish to the year 2014, it's wise to prepare for some turbulent waters ahead. As always, we'll keep you informed and up to date as economic data becomes available to us. That's it for our November 2014 Educational Economic Update. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call us at our office number, 847-268-3670. I'm at extension 102, Robert at 107, Yvonne at 104. And on the social side, here are some upcoming events that we'd like you to know about. If you have grandchildren and great-grandchildren, and of course children, we are having an event January 10th at the Edison Park Inn. You should be receiving from us an invitation in the mail. This will be a family event open to the multi-generations of the Personal Financial Strategies clients group. So it's going to be a fun time. We hope you'll be able to join us. That's Saturday, January 10th at a place called the Edison Park Inn, not too far from our office here in Park Ridge, Illinois. And you will be receiving an invitation in the mail if you are a Personal Financial Strategies Incorporated current client. Now for the disclosure. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or the solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult us, your financial professional, before making any investment decision. That's Les Goldstein signing off for the month of November 2014. Have a great holiday season. Talk to you soon.